Hello there and welcome back to this tutorial series on Reason. In this particular lesson what we're going to do is to look at attaching a MIDI keyboard to Reason and using MIDI to trigger the devices within Reason. Specifically we are going to start with the combinator and we'll see how far we get with that. So basically Reason is set up to work with many different kinds of control surfaces, and a control surface can be a keyboard. It could be a device without a keyboard but that has, for instance, knobs or sliders that you can use to actually physically or trigger these knobs or sliders, or modulation wheels or pitch wheels, or just about anything else within Reason. In this particular example I am going to be using an Edirol keyboard, and like I said, it works with a lot of different kinds. This is the reason I'm bringing this picture up is so that I can show you what I'm doing on the keyboard physically, so that you can see what it's actually doing within Reason. And if this is the first time you've ever set up a control surface, Reason is a good one to do this with for the first time because it's relatively easy. So here we go. Let's go ahead and go to Reason screen. For right now I'm just going to drop this down. A brief, hopefully you've watched the last video on Reason and the combinator, but basically right here we've got, this is the instrument we want to trigger, and what we should see, if you see next to where up here where it says Rhodes Overdrive, over here you'll see a light that says Notes On. I'm physically playing notes in the, or I should say virtually, in the program, but we're going to trigger that actually on this keyboard. So here we go. I'm going to go up to the, excuse me, to the